Dell 3501 i3 11th generation. Dell Inspiron 3501D560442 WIN9S laptop Intel Core i3 11th Gen 1115 G4 integrated 4GB 1TB FHD Windows 10 that is engineered for long-lasting performance. This laptop offers smooth processing and comes with a stylish design. The laptop is equipped with a powerful Intel Core i3 11th Gen 1115 G4 and lags. In addition to this, you can easily this laptop in your backpack due to its lightweight and compact design. The dimensions of the laptop are 2 by 22 by 2 centimeters, and it weighs around 1.83 kilograms. Machine type Dell Inspiron 3501 15.6 inches FHD Core i3 11th Gen laptop processor 11th generation Intel Core i5 1135 G7 processor, 8 MB cache, up to 4.2 GHz, memory 4 GB DDR4 2666 MHz memory storage 1 TB 5400 revolutions per minute 2.5 inches SATA hard drive. Display 15.6-inch FHD, 1920x1080, anti-glare LED backlight non-touch narrow border WVA display WLAN plus Bluetooth 802.11 AC 1x1 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth camera 720p at 30 fps HD camera. Single array microphone keyboard English International non-backlit keyboard with numeric keypad, gray. Connection and expansion 2x USB 3.2 Gen 1 type A ports 1x USB 2.0 Gen 1 type A port 1x RJ45 to 10/100ths of a megabit per second Ethernet port 1x headset. Headphone and microphone combo, port 1x HDMI 1.4 port 1x power adapter port battery 3 cell 42 Wh battery. Please subscribe Techo Avenue.